Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick update as to what I am seeing on the 120-minute chart. We still have that initial bounce from the 4th of May, and if that low is any good from the 29th of April high, your target on the 120-minute chart is going to be 42.35. We are all still looking at the target from this high to low. We met the first one, but not quite the second one at 42.28. All right. And what I saw today happen is we came down to the extension of one of these swings and then bounced. I actually had 10 SPY contracts from that 41.46 two-step setup right there. And unfortunately from me, and I'd risked all the way down to 41.43, we busted it. So I took them off because I thought we may just keep going down, either retest this initial zone or make a deeper downside correction. Well, boy, was I wrong, right? We came down to the extension of that second extension, that is, of that low to high swing. We also had the 786 not too far away. We bounced and are now looking at these targets. We went through the very first target. I have some resistance for you, some symmetrical resistance from that high, that low to that high to this low at 4,200. I also have an extension, a second extension off of that high to low at 4,204. So if you are in the ES, I want you to please trail up your stops. If you are an overnight futures trader, at this point, I would wait for a lower time frame pullback. But let's see what is going to happen tomorrow, right? Another thing that I want you to see is that the 8 and 34 have crossed back over to the bull side. We were on the bearish side back in here, but now the blue has crossed back over the red. So I don't have anything else in your way. I don't really have, I have that resistance at 4,200. If we go through that overnight, the next thing that I have for you is that second extension at 4,204, then the second extension off of that larger swing back here, and then the overall extension of the most recent 120-minute swing of 42.35 and 42.66. If you are not already in the Fibonacci room, please come and join us. We give a lot of great information all day, every day, price relationships, and timing to the market. All right, everybody, have a great evening, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me